Hi, this is Navjot, and today what we are doing is we are touring a 1955 square feet apartment in Krisumi. That's a 3 BHK, and it is well curated for Japanese people. This entire community is a niche community in Gurgaon that is in sector 36A, and this is specially designed for Japanese people. We will be touring this entire property, and the best part is this property is available for lease. In the last, we will be sharing all the commercials and all those things. So let's start the property tour.
This video is for information purposes only and is based on current real estate trends in India.
Okay, so upon entering, we are getting an automated door locking system, and this is the main living and dining room of the apartment. Just have a view of it. You are seeing it fully equipped. The pieces that are placed right now here are imported from China, Italy, and other places of the world. Okay, so this is the living room where a recliner, 2-finger chairs, and a couch is placed right. This is the living room, which is directly connected to the balcony. And when you will be seeing the balcony, you will be amazed to see the views that you get from here. Okay, so this is the massive balcony, and these are the views that you get from here. The view of Dwarka Expressway, and when you get these type of views, you don't need a television to entertain yourself. This is sector 36A. If we talk about the demographics of this sector, this is very well connected to the global city. On the right hand side, you can see the global city, a 1,000-acre development by Haryana government, in which they will be providing A-grade office spaces and residential apartments. Adjacent to Krisumi, this is Max Estate, which is under construction. This will be delivered in next 3 to 4 years. And on the opposite side, the sector that you are seeing right there, that is sector 88B, where you will be seeing Vision City and RRTS junction with Gurgaon's very first air taxi helipad that will be placed on that side. And just have a look at the entire skyline that you are seeing right now here. And the best part is this is just 15-minute drive from Indira Gandhi International Airport. If you're a person who travels a lot, then this is going to be the very best thing that you are getting. So again, we are entering inside the apartment. So you have seen the very massive balcony. This balcony is connected to all those 3 bedrooms and this living area, making it extravagantly wide. Now we are seeing the dining table that is placed right here. This is entire teak and glass dining table, giving it a very beautiful look. Behind that, you are seeing a crockery cabinet that is placed right there, and a serving trolley that is right here. Okay, so after exploring the living and dining area, we are ready to explore the kitchen area. This kitchen is fully equipped with all the white goods and all those things that you need for your daily usage. So this is the countertop, and this countertop is directly connected to the dining area, and we have 2 bar chairs that are placed right here for having a dinner with your family or your partner. So this is the kitchen area with this chimney, with this hob, with this refrigerator. All those things are connected. All those things are in place in this kitchen, and this is connected to the wet area where you are seeing a VRV unit is placed and a washing machine is also placed right there. This apartment is centrally air conditioned, so in the every corner you can feel the breeze. So now this is the gully that follows and connects us to the all 3 bedroom and our powder room. So on the flooring, if you see, this is wooden flooring that is running in the all apartments. So right now we are entering into the first bedroom that is on my right hand side. Just have a look at it. Okay, so this is the very first bedroom that has its wardrobe, that has a very big king size bed, and after placing this king size bed and after placing a console, we have a decent space to walk right here. Also connected to our balcony area, which I had already shown to you, and you are getting an immensely beautiful view of the entire skyline of Gurgaon. And now we are moving into the second bedroom. Okay, so before entering the second bedroom, we can see on the left hand side, this is a powder room in which you can see all those things that are in place, equipped washroom. And going straight, we are entering into the second bedroom. Right now this is created as a lounge area, as an entertainment area, or as an mindfulness area, where you can see a sofa cum bed is placed right here. two chairs are placed right here which are directly from Bengal. Again, this bedroom is also connected directly to our balcony area. Okay, so talking about the commercials, this is a 1955 square feet apartment on the Har floor. This is located in sector 36A. The property's name is Krisumi Waterfall Residences. It is ready to move in. This property is available for 100 rupees per square foot for the lease, in which you are getting all those things that you are seeing in this video. That means this is a fully equipped all-in deal at just 100 rupees per square foot, making it a very lucrative thing. Now we will be entering into the master bedroom and we will be exploring all those things. A part of this deal, we have got some exclusive resale and rental deals in Krisumi. If you want to know more about it, you can call me on the numbers flashing on your screen. Now we are entering into the master bedroom. Okay, so this is the master bedroom that you are seeing right here. A very massive and a very beautifully crafted king size bed is placed right here. Again, this bedroom is also connected to the very big balcony area from which you can see the entire skyline of Gurgaon and Dwarka Expressway. This is a space that you are getting in between the wardrobe where you can place your television right here. On the left hand side, you can see the washroom area where there is all those equipment that are necessary in the washroom are placed right there. We have shower separator, we have a WC unit, we have consoles, we have wash basin, we have the storage unit that you can see on the right hand side. This apartment comes with 2 covered car parking in the basement, and you are getting an exclusive membership of the clubhouse in which all those things are included. If you are a Japanese and you are looking to relocate yourself, then this property is the first option that you should consider right now, because in the entire Krisumi Waterfall Residences there are a couple of Japanese that are living right here. I hope you like this home tour. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe the channel for latest update. This side Navjot Singh signing off. Property Wars, Real Estate Sahiya.